Are you a woman with more than 10 pounds to lose? You need to pay attention. Because this breakthrough that was discovered by a woman hook up on life-saving machine not only saved her life, but also triggered a flood of what scientists called the weight lose doubling molecule that is dormant in the female metabolism. This discovery helped Carly, who is the woman, end all her battle with hypertension, pre-diabetes and even depression, which shocked all her friends and her doctor. This discovery sequence not only ended all these existing conditions, but also compelled her body to lose 5 to 7 pounds every week for next 6 weeks straight. But the story did not stop there. This video will reveal Carly's full transformation, along with the secret flavor pairing ritual. She used to burn over 50 more pounds faster than she thought possible without pills, or depriving herself on the latest fad, keto calories counting satisfaction stripped diet. Here is another secret. Although Carly survived her ordeal of suffering the consequences of having a body saturated with almost 100 pounds of excess fat, coupled with guilt and depression, that is no longer her story. Because the truth is, as soon as you no longer become a prey to corporations, TV doctors and so-called industry gurus who make great promises just to line their pockets and start listening to women like you, a new woman will begin to take shape. A new you begins to emerge. The one with God-given biological empowerment to literally double your weight loss from within. All by using a solution so simple, yet proven by expert-level scientists. This simple solution allows you to reclaim control over your body, your health and even how you age. You too will join the army of over 16,000 women who are now raving fans of this simple breakthrough flavor pairing solution that has helped so many women in several countries lose hundreds of thousand pounds in the last couple of months alone. Now this is not a story of some TV doctor or a self-proclaimed guru, but from a woman like you who works for no one, who through her story and the truth of her transformation is offering this simple technique to women who want to lose weight. So if you are a woman over 20, who wants to reclaim her life inside the body she deserves, while living her own Cinderella story like Carly and other women like her, then you need to click the link in the description below. Because this breakthrough discovery is guaranteed to be the end to your weight loss failures and the beginning of your success. Get ready to move from being obese with other underlying conditions to discover this weight loss doubling rituals that triggers a relentless fat-burning domino effect that is buried inside even the most shattered metabolism and see the possibilities of reversing all the years of frustration, while stamping out all the factors that is responsible for depression and diseases. So you too can build back that fairy tale life you dreamed about when you were younger. All it takes is a diet-free solution that rewires and reawaken your scientifically proven 22-hour-a-day weight lose magnification system. And even though these powerful system went dormant when puberty ended, this simple technique is going to give those dormant scientifically proven sleeping fat-burning giant inside of you a giant kick in the butt to get them back to work. Like Carly's friends and doctors, you will be amazed as you will lose up to 20 pounds in the first 20 days. But the journey doesn't end there. This simple flavor pairing ritual can actually change the female body into a fat-burning furnace, while at the same time generating a rebound weight gain defense system, making it almost biologically impossible for the fat to wickedly reappear. So even if you have horrible genetics, and nothing ever seemed to work, this technique will allow you and everyone to witness how pounds upon pounds of weight will evaporate literally. Even at 40, like Carly and several other women, you can eliminate hundreds of pounds of confidence-stealing, energy-sucking and potentially life-threatening fat, and live that happily ever after life you always wanted. Get to learn more about this wonderful breakthrough and meet real women that it is working for. Click that link in the description below. This video is inspired by the Carly Donovan story. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.